Hey guys, Charlie here from Doodle NV. I don't post videos very often because I don't have a lot really to post about. I'm not an influencer, I'm not like a famous YouTuber, but I wanted to share this video because I'm doing something new with our puppies for the first time. We have been getting a lot of questions about coat color, coat consistency, as far as are they going to be wavy curls, loose curls, straight-ish on our golden doodles. And the easiest way to answer that, obviously, is with a DNA test. So we did some research, and we found that there are a lot of different options on the market. Well, not a lot, but enough that you should do some research and figure out which ones works best for you. We actually decided on the Embark test, and these just came in the mail today. We ordered 5 kits because we have 5 puppies. Now, they're not inexpensive. I think the retail on these is $199, but we were able to do a little snooping around. We found a promo code that was good for $50 off. So they ended up being $149 a test. But I'm going to give you a little bit of additional information that's going to save you even $20 more if you stick around to the end of the video. It's actually a really cool trick. A lot of companies do this, but this one kind of did it in sort of a sneaky way, but I didn't get a chance to take advantage of it, but maybe you will. But anyway, this is the Embark Dog DNA Kit, and we actually got the one that is not only for determining their breed, but also it's the health kit. So it also is going to determine what 170 plus genetic health conditions could possibly occur in your puppy. So let me get positioned here really quick, and I will open the kit and show you what's in it. We'll do kind of an unboxing. So anyway, the package just came in a brown cardboard box. Since we had 5 of them, they were all packed together. But on the outside here, you'll notice you've got your activation kit right there. The lighting's really weird here. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with my camera there. But anyway, you've got an activation kit there on the outside. Inside the box, you open it up, and it looks a little something like this. And you've got the 1, 2, 3 of the Embark. So basically, step 1 literally says activate. And you've got an activation code here on the outside of your swab. So you have this here. It's a little sterile sealed swab, and then you'll see you've got the activation kit there. Mine's already been activated, so I guess, I don't think there's any harm in showing it. Otherwise, you can just check in and see what my dog's DNA is. But I'm going to label this one because it's one of 5 puppies. And I've actually already done the activation, and I've already swabbed the other 4 puppies. But basically, when you open your pouch like this, inside you're going to see that there's a vial inside. It's got a little Q-tip swabber in there, and it's got a vial of solution. Now, you don't want to spill that solution on yourself, and it even says on the outside that it's for collection of DNA. Don't ingest it. It's only for animal use, and wash with water if stabilizing liquid cleansing do contact with the eyes or skin. So the process is pretty simple. You're going to basically take the interior swab of your the lower cheek of your pooch for about 30 to 60 seconds, just enough to get that wet. So I'm going to put that down there for a second. I'm going to grab my little pup. The last one that we have to do is actually our white party puppy. So she should be easy to find. Come here, baby girl. Oh. So here's our pup. They are actually a week old today. There was no indication as to whether or not you could do this early, but DNA is DNA, and they should have all of their DNA as of right now. So really the biggest trick is just going to be getting it wet enough that the swab actually collects some samples. So you're going to basically carefully insert it into their mouth. The other 4, some didn't mind so much, others fought it tooth and nail, but basically just inside the cheek pouch there, stabilize the head, and you're just going to try and roll it around there on the cheek. You're just trying to collect the saliva and some cells off of the inside of the wall. Get that off your face. We don't want any contamination. And then other side, just to get a little more. And again, I'm just putting it kind of into the mouth and then angling it towards the cheek pouch. Being careful not to contaminated with any dirt or... You're okay, Mama. Okay. So anyway, it suggests 30 to 60 seconds. I don't want to torment him too much, so as long as he gets the job done, I think we can be done here in another 10 seconds or so. Okay. One thing I did note, though, it's very important, I guess, so you don't get cross-contamination, is make sure that they haven't eaten in the last 30 minutes, because otherwise you could pick up some proteins or some DNA from their food. But anyway, once you get that done, you're going to unscrew the cap here. You're just going to turn it 180 degrees, stick it right back into the stabilizing solution. Then you're going to shake it 10 times. That's it. So once you do that, now inside our box for step 3, there's a little plastic pouch right here. You're going to take that pouch and you're going to drop your tube into it. Pull the sealing strip off. Fold it over and seal up your tube. And then last but not least, you're going to take your envelope there, and it actually has a pre-stamped envelope for the Postal Service, and again, it's really bright here, I'm sorry, but that's going to go right inside of there, like that. It has the matching number there from the activation number, so those two numbers actually match. And then once you finish that, you're going to take the strip off of this. You're going to seal up your envelope, and you are all done. You put your return address on the envelope, and you drop that in the mail, and then they say in 2 to 3 weeks you should have your results. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said there's a way I could save you an extra 20 bucks. And it's quite simply this. They don't expect people like me to go in and buy 5 kits right off the bat. So when I changed the quantity in my cart, I basically bought 5 right off the bat. The code that I used to save the 50 bucks was CAMP, C-A-M-P 50, CAMP 50. And that saved $50 off the kit. So instead of being $199, it was $149. Now, once you complete your transaction, you're going to put in your credit card information. You're going to put in your mailing address and stuff so they can ship you your product, and then you're going to close the transaction. As soon as you close that transaction, they're actually going to send you a pop-up that says, "Hey, do you have another dog in your house that you'd like to test? Buy another kit right now, and we'll take $20 off and make it $129." So instead of being $149, it takes it down to $129. So had I done that twice, I could have paid $149, $129, $149, $129, etc. So I probably could have saved another $40 given that I bought 5 kits total. But I didn't know that at the time. That's why I'm telling you. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the Embark kit. I think I'm going to make a part 2 of this video once we get our test results back. There's the litter of puppies. None the wiser to the fact that they just had their genetic material stolen. But yeah, that's it. This has been Charlie from Doodle NV saying thanks for watching, and you're welcome to like and subscribe. I don't know how many more videos I'm going to post, but you got to start somewhere, right? You got to walk before you can run. Anyway, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll post another video as the puppies are getting older and we do some more vaccines. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye.